Okay, James P. Madonna, Facebook group, Everything is Food. Here I am on Midland Avenue in Garfield, New Jersey. My favorite pizzeria in this region, Pizza Mania, together with Gelato Mania. Highly recommended. Excellent pizza at a reasonable price. Can't be beat, and it is right across the street from the place I'm entering right now, La Fortaleza in Garfield, New Jersey. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the image of the famous luchador Blue Demon, right? And I think I'm going to have chicken enchiladas Suiza with the tomatillo sauce and lots of sour cream. Okay, I'm entering now. Have not been here in a while. Of course, all the lovely Aztec and Mayan decorations are here. All right, I'm going to enter right now. Okay, here's my favorite table. No sun, nice and relaxing. Okay, there's the village. There's the illuminated village with LED lights. Everything is still here, and that's it. Got my Modelo Especial waiting for the chicken enchilada Suiza with tomatillo sauce and sour cream. I love these Native American Mexican coffee mugs. I want to get one. Good for hot cocoa too. You know, they're nice. Okay, my food definitely came in at La Fortaleza, Midland Avenue in Garfield, New Jersey. And chicken enchilada Suiza with tomatillo sauce. Okay, sour cream, nice big pieces of avocado, rice, and I guess refried black beans, it looks like. Okay, the Modelo Especial. Looks good. Alright, I'm gonna start eating now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Danielo. Happy birthday to you.
You forgot that thing that goes rah, 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 rah. Oh. I guess this is an agave cactus being harvested for the making of tequila on the back of a chair, right? A little slow. I gotta get one of these for the house so nobody messes with my food. This is great. You put your plate on it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Nobody could sample your food. Nobody could spit in your food. Nobody could sneeze in your food. This is great. It's fantastic. You have complete and total privacy when you're eating. Beautiful. Great invention. All finished. All gone. I'm stuffed. Chicken enchilada. Da, 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 da. Hey, Commodore Jeff Zambello. They're playing a wedding song. Is this? It probably says your freedom is over, buddy. You might as well put like somebody we know. Get that big ring ready for your schnozola. This cracks me up. You know, I know people, somebody in the family, once they got married, before they got married, they said, my house down the shore is all, what's mine is yours. You can crash at my house anytime you want when you come down to Jersey Shore. As soon as the new wifey moved in after the wedding reception, years went by, nothing. I couldn't even open my brother's refrigerator or cabinets. I couldn't like go make myself a drink because, you know, the woman of the house was not offering me anything. My sister-in-law, right? Oh, what happened? No more. I can't make fun of the wedding anymore. The wedding song is over. Well, I'm over. I'm leaving. I gotta get one of these. Aztec or Mayan clay coffee mugs. Beautiful. Okay, there he is. La Fortaleza delivery car. Volkswagen Beetle. The Blue Demon. I want to give a shout out to the one and only professional wrestler extraordinaire, the Merengue Guerrero, Merengue Warrior. Okay. All right. Weather is starting to cool off. Thank God. It is late September 2018. I am exiting La Fortaleza. All right. Get another shot of the Blue Demon. All right. And here we are, Midland Avenue, Garfield, New Jersey. Pizza Mania, Gelato Mania. Can you dig it, sucker? Garibaldi. I didn't know there was a Garibaldi in Mexico. Really? Thought it was Italian. All right. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You learn something every day. What's this? La Fortaleza husband daycare? What? Husband? Need time to? Oh, I get it. Need time to relax. Need time to yourself. Want to go shopping? What? What does this have to do with the husband? Leave your husband with us. Oh, I see. They're funny. Leave your husband with us. We'll look after him for you. You only pay for his drinks. Yeah, right. Fat chance. Getting this the woman to pay for your drinks. Oh my God! Look at that. This is funny. Husband daycare. Oh my goodness. Good goobly. Good. What the hell is that? Interrupted my video with that loud horn. Commodore Jeff Zambello. This is funny. Husband daycare. It's cute. We'll take care of your husband for you. Just pay for his drinks. Drop him off. Interesting. Da, 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 da. Hey, papagayo. Oh no, toucan. There's the toucan. Much better looking than the Fruit Loops toucan. Commodore Jeff Zambello. Hey, doesn't it look like Mark Zuckerberg with that big beak? That big proboscis? It's like Zuckerberg of Facebook. The Zionist. Son of a bitch. Proboscis. All right, exiting the establishment. Okay, this is the car they probably use to make deliveries. This one, not the ones in the front. All right, gotcha. There's the back of La Fortaleza. It smells really good back here. That's where the kitchen is. Ah, it smells wonderful. They got that churrasco smell, you know, barbecue smell of grilled meat. Very nice. Okay, exiting La Fortaleza. Hey, more agave harvesting. Agave harvesting park bench. Alright, Mexican lady with a sombrero. Just one, two. Here we go. Day of the Dead is coming up, brother. November the 2nd, this year, 2018, the Day of the Dead. Love it. My favorite time of year. Another lovely bench. Alright. Love it. Day of the Dead. All Hallows Eve, All Souls Day, and Day of the Dead. Patron, barrel selected. Tequila, La Fortaleza. Alright, that's it. I'm out of here. Pizza Mania. Gelato Mania.